GFR, and their vapor draw systems. Our mission today is unpacking how this pioneering Australian technology is actually destroying unrecyclable plastics and, those notoriously resilient PFAS forever chemicals.
It's a huge claim.
It is. Okay, let's
Yeah.
unpack this because the traditional recycling loop we are also used to has some massive hurdles.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, you have extreme energy required just to clean and sort the material.
Right.
And the polymers themselves, they actually degrade every time they go through a heat cycle.
So mechanical recycling eventually just hits a wall.
Yeah, it's an inherently flawed system. The material gets too contaminated or broken down to even be usable. You are essentially just delaying the landfill, not actually preventing it.
Which brings us to the vapor draw systems, or VDS. The claim here is thermochemical mineralization with zero pre-processing. But I have to push back here for a second.
Sure.
If you just bake raw, dirty plastic in a box, how does that not create, like, a massive cloud of toxic black smoke?
Well, what's fascinating here is a piece of patented technology they use called the CSET module, so combustion support and exhaust treatment.
Okay.
Unlike a standard incinerator that just burns things in oxygen and creates all that nasty smoke, this is an oxygen-starved thermochemical process.
Wait, so it's not actually burning it?
Right, no. It uses intense heat to literally vibrate the molecules until the bonds just snap apart.
Oh, wow. So it's essentially shaking the plastic apart at the molecular level.
Yeah, that's a great way to picture it. And it is so intense that it even breaks the carbon-fluorine bond in those PFAS forever chemicals.
Which is, that's the strongest bond in organic chemistry.
Exactly. Over a 40 to 60-hour cycle, the system takes 10 cubic meters of raw waste and compresses it down into just 1 ton of safe, solid mineral salts.
Okay, but to loop back to the smoke question, the report mentions it captures plastic gases.
Yes, it does.
So wait, it's extracting gas during this process to actually run its own generators.
It is. The waste provides the energy for its own destruction. The system powers itself completely off-grid.
With near zero toxic emissions. An off-grid machine that eats forever chemicals and powers itself sounds a bit like sci-fi.
It really does sound too good to be true.
But what grounds this for me is that it's operating in the real world right now. Like, their headquarters in Queensland is a functioning commercial hub.
Yeah, they have a strategic partnership with Kilcoy Global Foods, acting as a verified vendor.
Taking their actual industrial packaging.
Right. Kilcoy delivers their raw, unwashed industrial waste, and GFR processes it into those solid mineral salts, which are then used as construction subbase, fill, and pavers.
Paving roads with former industrial waste. That is wild.
And they aren't stopping there. The report details a 5,000% capacity expansion roadmap.
Wow.
Yeah, they are building a fleet of 49 modular decentralized ovens.
So that modularity is key. They are proving that localized waste processing actually works on an industrial scale.